Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like...
Okay, good morning. And I'm in Phuket and staying in a hotel. Owner of the hotel is a childhood friend. Stranger, interesting. Mr. Vinod Handa, my senior in high school. Oh, and 35 years back, he came to Phuket. So anyway, the Mr. Vinod Handa is a successful businessman, I would say. It's a nice man taking good care of me. God bless him. So then I've decided to go out and explore around. So this is the street at Bangla Street where I'm staying in my friend's hotel, some HPK hotel and restaurant. The restaurant is on the ground floor and the hotel is on the first and second. This is a typical nightlife area with lots of tattoo studios, massage parlors, and many nightclubs and bar all around. So this is like 9:30 in the morning, and if you can see, the place is very quiet. Very few people walking around. Actually, everything starts here in the evening, the late evening, I would say. So this is all around, and this way goes to the famous Patang beach. So let's go there and see what exactly is going on the beach. Some shops are open, shoe shops, shoe and caps. Yeah, so the people are setting their shops, and then another typical tattoo shop, Pink City Tattoo Studio. Wow, see those photos and see the weed. I don't know if I've seen those um, boards showing weed on many places. I don't know if you can buy weed here. So we reached here at the main street or a road. In front of us is um, uh, the beach, Patang Beach, and this road is the main road along the Patang Beach. So let's go there and see. You can see many people, health concerned people, jogging around at this place. So let's cross the street, go on the beach. You can see the sign Patang Beach just in front of us. So here we are. Let's see what is going on in here. Some of the beach activities are all already started. You can see those jet skis lined up, and someone is already doing that parasurfing, you call it, paragliding, something, parasailing. Oh yeah, here it is. So these are the rates for the parasailing. Adult one person 1,500, child one person 1,200, adult two person 3,000 baht. It is 6,000 rupees, like $20. And then there is a cruise. I think the cruise ship is based here, and they just do a cruise. And you see that white
white landing craft kind of boat there. I was on that boat yesterday. That belongs to a friend of Mr. Honda, and he took me there yesterday. So that boat is being prepared for party boat. So yes, it's the same boat. Yesterday it was there on that jetty, and now today they have gone on that anchorage.
I'm using my Insta360 camera, and it just gave me the warning of a low battery. So I don't know how long I can keep on shooting with this one, but then I have to shift to my phone. Okay, let's see how much we can shoot with this camera. I know this camera is better than my phone, but I cannot do anything. I need to shift to phone.
That is the Patang Tower. I believe this is the most iconic building in Patang, on Patang Beach. There's a whole bay, Patang Bay is visible. Find a place of my interest, smoking area. So I can smoke a cigarette here before I go. Cannabis. Cannabis is the first time I came to know that cannabis is legal in Thailand. Very strange. I never knew that. You see those red vents there. Just behind them, there's written Happy Bar, and below that is cannabis. So I didn't know that the cannabis is legal. No firework of any kind and floating lantern are allowed. Parasailing boat is coming back. I just want to see how they land. There is a landing. I can show how they are landing. That way. Okay, not bad. Not bad. See, this is how they land. They go parallel to the beach, and then the person, they land them on the blue, on the beach. Yeah, I think they're safe. I guess they're gonna do another person now. So let's see how they do it. No, it's over. So all of them coming back. They're bringing back the parachute. Activities which I'm seeing here on Patang Beach are same in Langkawi, but still this place is more lively, more openness, more freeness. I can feel in the atmosphere.
On the way back to hotel, I decided to try some Thai salad, some papaya salad, and just went to this small stall. This is a mobile stall, and see how this guy is preparing the salad. He already added some tomatoes, vegetables, and lime, and papaya, of course.
What is that? Mushroom?
So then,
Oh, the soup.
and he's adding. He asked me if I want it spicy, and I said yes. So he's adding some chili, I guess, and just see the setup. It's not only salad, but he's selling soup, and then he has a barbecue setup on the side. Very, very nice setup. Lovely. Mm, good. The good thing in Thailand is they use all the spices very fresh, which is very true. This guy, he has not added any dry spices to this one. Even the chili, they were, even the red chili, they are the fresh red chili. So this tastes good, a little bit spicy, and he added some few sauces. So I think those are vinegar and other things. The many Indian tourists come here, so I think this is a modified Indian version of the Thai uh, papaya salad, in which they, I think, don't add those oyster sauce and all. But anyway, this is a good one, and this is worth a try. And then I came out to Bangla Street, and it's in the evening, and it's being prepared for the night. So I'm just having a stroll down to the Bangla Street, the famous Bangla Street. And then I walked to this place. This is a small barbecue and seafood market. Start with a fruit stall, very fresh fruit, and then stall all around and sitting arrangement in between. Uh, Very noisy place, and nice seafood all around, and this then barbecue section, yes, and all kind of food, barbecue, seafood, and well, there are some few very exotic exotic food as well. Just look at that scorpion. I never tried those, never. Okay. Hey, nice place. And people started coming in from all around. And then there's a deep fry section. hmm fried everything. Yeah, I'm not vegetarian. Okay, okay. Oh,
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
yeah, he's talking about my beard.
This place has really nice seafood. What are those crabs and the rock lobsters and oysters? Nice, very nice. Hello. Thank you, thank you, thank you. No, no,
Ah,
no, later.
he
Thank you.
thinks I'm an Arab. I think Salam Walaikum. And I said, Walaikum Assalam. Oh, yeah, there's a shooting range as well. Mm, yeah, there. Okay, so I have a look around and now time to go back. So I'm entering the Bangla Street, and it's getting to its full swing now, slowly. And the first thing I need to do, as I'm going to my room, I need to get my dinner. So, doner's kebab, that's the best option in Thailand. So I just reached to this place and ordered for two doner's kebab for my dinner, and just look around. The things are getting started slowly, and see the people all around those restaurant, those bars, not restaurants. They're setting up those tables on the roadside, and lights and music everywhere. It's not even 10%. Very soon it's going to be very loud music and lot of people all around here.
You can see all the tables are empty. Many tourists.
Eventually, I got my visa and now I'm traveling back to Langkawi. And here, I have seen this Ganesha, Lord Ganesha, with in various different avatars. Ganesha with cow, Ganesha with monkey, Ganesha with chicken, and yeah, Ganesha with horse, Ganesha with rabbits. This is the first time I'm seeing Ganesha in these very, very unique avatars. So now we are about to land at Kuala Lumpur. You can see all those palm plantation below. The palm is playing the major role in Malaysian economy, the major export crop. So by evening I would be reaching at Langkawi, and tomorrow onward we'll start working on our boat, especially the painting outside, anti-fouling painting. So friends, please join us when we are working on our boat. Stay with us, stay healthy, and stay happy. See you next time, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for joining.